Did you know that Sweden, a Scandinavian gem, is famously known as the land of the midnight sun? This fascinating phenomenon, where the sun never fully sets during summer months, shapes a unique way of life for the Swedes. It's a land where time seems to lose its grip, allowing for endless adventures and unforgettable moments. The midnight sun casts a magical hue over this country, creating a surreal landscape that defies the norms of day and night. So, buckle up as we explore this mesmerizing land that basks under the sun even at midnight. Sweden's culture, deeply rooted in ancient traditions, is fascinatingly blended with modern design and innovation. This Scandinavian nation is a treasure trove of unique cultural experiences that are a testament to its rich history and progressive mindset. Let's delve into the heart of Swedish culture. Imagine a scene where the entire country slows down to honor the longest day of the year. This is the midsummer celebration, a time-honored tradition that dates back to the Viking era. Swedes escape to the countryside, dancing around maypoles adorned with flowers and singing traditional songs. It's a time for togetherness, laughter, and indulging in the classic Swedish smorgasbord. This midsummer festivity encapsulates the Swedish love for nature and community. Now let's switch gears to another quintessential Swedish tradition: fika. More than a coffee break, fika is a social institution. It's a moment to pause, enjoy a cup of coffee, and indulge in a delightful cinnamon bun or two. Whether it's in bustling city cafes or cozy countryside cottages, fika is a cherished ritual, reminding us of the Swedish emphasis on work-life balance and the importance of savoring the moment. Transitioning from tradition to modernity, Swedish design is a realm where functionality meets aesthetics. Known for its simplicity, minimalism, and functionality, Swedish design is a reflection of the nation's practical and democratic values. It's not just about beautiful objects, it's about improving everyday life. From IKEA's flat-pack furniture revolutionizing our homes to Spotify transforming the way we listen to music, Swedish design is everywhere, subtly making our lives better. The Swedish culture is not a static entity, but a living, breathing phenomenon, constantly evolving while staying grounded in its roots. It's a culture that cherishes the past, embraces the present, and looks forward to the future. It's a culture where ancient traditions coexist with innovative design, where communal celebrations are as important as individual moments of peace, and where the old and the new come together to create something uniquely Swedish. Indeed, the Swedish culture, a harmonious blend of old and new, is something to behold. Sweden, a traveler's paradise, is home to cosmopolitan cities, charming towns, and pristine landscapes. First on the list is Stockholm, the capital city. It's a vibrant city built on 14 islands where modern architecture meets medieval history. Gamla stan, the old town, is a living, breathing museum filled with cobblestone streets, royal palaces, and centuries-old churches. Don't forget to visit the Vasa Museum, home to a remarkably preserved 17th-century ship. Next, head west to Gothenburg, known for its Dutch-style canals and leafy boulevards. This city is a foodie's delight, boasting 6 Michelin-starred restaurants. If you're an art enthusiast, the Universium, a 7-floor science and technology center, will make your heart skip a beat. Further south lies Malmö, a city that perfectly encapsulates the blend of old and new. The Turning Torso, Scandinavia's tallest building, towers over quaint, colorful houses in the old town. Malmö is also a gateway to the stunning beaches of the Skåne region. But Sweden is not just about cities. The countryside offers an idyllic escape, where you can experience the solitude and tranquility of Sweden's natural beauty. The province of Dalarna, with its painted wooden houses and deep blue lakes, is the very picture of Swedish tradition. Here you can canoe on Lake Siljan or hike in the verdant forests. For the thrill seekers, Swedish Lapland, the land of the northern lights and the midnight sun, is a must-visit. The Ice Hotel in Jukkasjärvi, made entirely of ice and snow, offers a unique experience. You can also try dog sledding or spot reindeer under the shimmering aurora borealis. And let's not forget Gotland, the island of roses and ruins. It's a paradise for history buffs, with medieval churches and the walled town of Visby, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. No matter what your travel preferences are, Sweden has something to offer everyone. Whether you're a history aficionado, a nature lover, a city slicker, or a food enthusiast, Sweden's charm will leave you spellbound. From the Viking era to its role in modern Europe, Sweden's history is as captivating as its landscapes. Let's embark on an exciting journey through time, tracing the footprints of Sweden's rich history. Our story begins with the Viking Age. From the late 8th to the early 11th century. This was a time when fearless Norse seafarers set sail from Sweden's rugged coasts, reaching as far as North America and the Caspian Sea. Their tales of exploration, warfare, and trade still echo throughout the annals of history. As we move forward, we enter the period of the Vasa dynasty in the 16th and 17th centuries. This was a turning point in Sweden's history, marking its transition from a medieval kingdom to a modern state. The reign of Gustav Vasa and his descendants saw the consolidation of power, the establishment of a hereditary monarchy, and the rise of Sweden as a formidable power in Northern Europe. Yet Sweden's history is not just about power and conquest, it's also a story of peace. During the tumultuous times of the World Wars, Sweden made a conscious choice to remain neutral. This neutrality, however, was not a sign of indifference. It was a strategic decision that allowed Sweden to provide humanitarian aid and refuge to those affected by the wars. In the post-war era, Sweden continued to make its mark on the world stage, not through military might, but through diplomacy, innovation, and a commitment to social welfare. It became known for its thriving economy, progressive social policies, and a high standard of living, earning it a reputation as an exemplar of the Scandinavian model of governance. Sweden's history is a testament to its resilience, its ability to adapt and innovate, and its unwavering commitment to peace and prosperity. It's a fascinating narrative that intertwines with the nation's beautiful landscapes, vibrant culture, and unique lifestyle. Sweden's history, a testament to its resilience and innovation, is a rich tapestry that adds to its allure. Sweden's commitment to sustainability and its love for nature are truly inspiring. This Scandinavian nation is a world leader in green initiatives with a vision to become fossil fuel-free by the middle of the 21st century. From recycling to renewable energy, the Swedish lifestyle is ingrained with an eco-conscious mindset that we could all learn from. Imagine a country where more than 99% of all household waste is recycled or converted into energy. Picture a society where wind turbines twirl against the sky and solar panels glisten on rooftops, contributing to more than half of the nation's energy production. This is Sweden, a country that's not just talking about sustainability, but living it every day. But the Swedish love for nature goes beyond just preserving it. They embrace it wholeheartedly. From hiking in the lush forests to swimming in the crystal-clear lakes, outdoor activities are a vital part of their lifestyle. The concept of allemansrätten, or every man's right, allows public access to private land, encouraging Swedes and visitors alike to enjoy the great outdoors. In winter, the landscape transforms into a winter wonderland, perfect for skiing, ice fishing, or simply marveling at the beauty around. And then there's the spectacle of the Northern Lights, a natural light show that paints the sky with breathtaking hues of green, pink, and violet. It's an experience that's hard to put into words, yet one that leaves a lasting impression on every observer. Sweden's natural beauty is not just limited to its landscapes. Its biodiversity is equally impressive, with a variety of flora and fauna that add to the country's charm. From the majestic moose to the delicate Arctic fox, Sweden's wildlife is as diverse as it is captivating. In Sweden, sustainability is not a trend, it's a way of life. It's about respecting nature, utilizing resources wisely, and leaving a minimal footprint. In this Scandinavian paradise, one truly understands the meaning of living in harmony with nature. From its stunning landscapes to its sustainable lifestyle, Sweden offers a unique perspective on how we can all live better, greener lives. In Sweden, one truly understands the meaning of living in harmony with nature. From its rich culture and history to its stunning landscapes and sustainable lifestyle, Sweden is undoubtedly a fascinating land. We've journeyed together through a land of contrasts, where the midnight sun lights up endless summer days, and the northern lights dance in the winter sky. We've delved into the heart of Swedish culture, from traditional midsummer celebrations to the innovative design and music that are recognized worldwide. We've visited iconic places, from the bustling streets of Stockholm and Gothenburg to the serene countryside, each offering a unique slice of Swedish life. And who can forget the voyage through Sweden's history? From the intriguing Viking era to its significant role in shaping modern Europe, Sweden's past is as compelling as its present. We also marveled at Sweden's stunning natural landscapes and discovered its unique and sustainable lifestyle. The country's commitment to innovation and sustainability is genuinely inspiring, serving as a model for the rest of the world. But remember, this is just the beginning of your Swedish adventure. There's so much more to discover and explore, so delve deeper, learn more, and perhaps even plan a visit to experience this incredible country firsthand. So, are you ready to explore Sweden, the land where the sun never sets? Share your thoughts and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting journeys.